Man, I told you. In Jesus, we got this.
Here we go, y'all.
Every step I take,
Let's go.
every move I make,
Come on.
whether asleep or awake, there is.
Hey, Super Scholars, I'm Dr. J.
And I'm Professor A, and we are so excited and ecstatic to share some awesome I've Got This with Jesus crafts with you. Now, today's craft is the Create Your Own CYO Cross. We have a lot of great craft options this year. Where can they find those?
You can find them online at umivbs.com. This is our homepage. There's so many great things on there. There's the VBS theme song, music video. You can sign up for t-shirts, everything. All your needs for 2020 VBS are on this website.
You absolutely want to go there and check out all those great resources. But today we have the Create Your Own Cross. They come in packs of 12 and you're able to use them. It's an easy way to allow kids, no matter what their age, to stay engaged and be creative. And one of the great things about this craft is it reminds us that we have identity in Christ, and that even though outsiders may see the outside of the cross as something that they don't understand or that's bad, if you go below the surface, there's hope for a greater glory and for us to find ourselves in Christ. And so I think that's what the Create Your Own Cross craft can represent to us.
Right.
Let's check out some kids doing this awesome craft.
Man, I told you. In Jesus, we got this.
Here we go, y'all.
Every step I take,
Let's go.
every move I
Come on.
make, whether asleep or awake, there is no mistake. My God is in the midst, fear just can't exist.
That's right.
With Jesus I can't miss, with Jesus
Let's
we got
go.
this. Every step I take, every move I make, whether asleep or awake,
Let's go.
there is no mistake. My God is in the midst, fear just can't exist. With Jesus I can't miss, with Jesus we got this.
Ever been in a situation you said you just can't win? The enemy.
Professor A, I really love the colors of this. It reminds me of when I was in elementary school. We used to do these little wax creations. They were so fun.
It is a lot of fun. And in order to get started, it's very easy. Again, these comes in packs of 12, and they also come with a ribbon. So when you're done with it, you're able to string it and,
Hang it up somewhere.
yep, doors, classrooms. It's a great cross to put anywhere. And again, that reminder of Jesus Christ.
Right.
Well, how about we get started making our own?
Okay, so this is all that comes in the pack. You have the cross, you have 3 different color string, and you have sticks to do your designing with. So there's one with a flat surface, and then there's one, oh wait, no. There's one end that's flat, and then there's one end that's kind of pointy. So this is another craft that will allow your boys and girls to be as creative as they want. They can put whatever they want on it, and this is how it goes. So you just use this end and just, make a design. And as you see, the different colors will come through. So if they want to write on it, if they want to sort of color on it, they can try to make a cool design. And like I said earlier, this reminds me of when I was in grade school. We used to make these. We didn't get them already made, but all the same. So they also can, write on it. They can do really anything that they want on the cross with the stick. I kind of wonder what's under the black, but I don't know, because I'm not going to scratch all the black off. Yeah, it's a really fun activity, and I believe that they could use this end if they want to make it a bigger line. So yeah, they can do whatever they want. And if they don't write their name on the front, make sure you write their name on the back so that you can tell whose is who. Because you know, somebody might forget what theirs looks like. And then you can go ahead and take the string once they're done and tie it, you know, however you want. I'm gonna loop it through like this, just because I think it's a little easier to tie like that. So I looped it through, and then you just tie this, right? And then you have your cross. And mine's you know, hopefully your boys and girls are a little bit more creative than mine's, but how about that?
Wow, Dr. J, that is a beautiful cross craft, I must say.
Thank you so much. Now, guys, make sure you join us here next time at the VBS Craft Lab. I'm Dr. J.
And I'm Professor A.
And we hope you have a super blessed day.
Let's go, let's go.
There's no mystery. My